Next, we're going to take a look at Dap Radar. We can see here the volume coming in and out. This is not the TVL, which is important because this is how you get paid out for swaps in the pool. So the more the transactions go up, the more the platform's used. Ultimately, the more money that you make being on the platform. So let's go back to DeFi. Here we can see all protocols. I've sorted this by volume. So you can see the volume that's coming through the platform. And we can see the platforms that are growing in popularity, either by users or volume. I believe volume to be most important, as well as the TVL, or total value locked up. The more people lock up on the platform, the more that the platform token appreciates, which a lot of times you're paid out in. For example, Curve Finance will pay you in the Curve token, the same way PancakeSwap will often pay you in the Cake token for providing your liquidity to the decentralized platform. I can also sort by balance, and here you're going to show the total value locked up. It doesn't seem to be updated for some of the platforms. For example, I know Goose Finance has less than 320 million locked up, so I'm not sure how often this number updates or how they calculate this. It seems to be pretty accurate for PancakeSwap as well as Venus. Sticking on this page, we can see that there are different protocols. So you see the one at the top here is for Litecoin, and there's some for Tron, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain. It's important to note the differences between what platform you're using. For example, Binance Smart Chain has lower transaction fees than Ethereum. It's interesting to see all these different platforms. We can even go to the second page here and see we have something from Matic. QuickSwap is on Matic. And if we really want to, we can always filter out. So let's say we want all the ones for Matic. We can just filter by that. And you see, got QuickSwap, EasyFi, Aave, Gotchi, Invader Finance, Parcel, Atlas Library, Swapmatic. And we can start to learn more about these platforms. For example, if I go to QuickSwap, maybe I can see some sort of audit. Someone has checked the security of their smart contracts. You can see this is very similar to Uniswap. It says always make sure the URL is quickswap.exchange. And I haven't personally been a user of this network just yet, but certainly having found it on Dap Radar, I can start to check it out and learn what the advantages and disadvantages are of the platform. We can do only new Dapps. So I want to look at new Dapps. So that's Blizzard Money, Iceberg Finance. I've seen before Royal Swap. Again, I'm not promoting any of these platforms. Pineapple Finance, I'm just naming off the ones that I've heard of. Red Pill Finance, that's interesting. Seen some of these mentioned before. Pika Finance. I have seen that, I'm part of a Binance community Discord. So yeah, you can basically just sort out the new platforms and see maybe if they have some security audits, see what kind of incentives they offer for users, and kind of use this to your advantage. So hopefully you guys learned how to discover new platforms and get the most out of Dap Radar. We are going to be doing more videos on Dap Radar. We can cover NFTs, we can cover exchanges, how to find new decentralized exchanges. So we're going to close it out here. If you guys do want to join the Discord and continue the discussion there, we have the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up because it helps more people see it. And subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that good stuff. And we will see you guys on the next one.